Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about vowel sounds. Alright, so we're going to explain the meaning of a vowel sound. From there, we're going to talk about the monophthongs. What are monophthongs? Alright, what do we mean by a monophthong? Alright, and long and short vowel sounds. What are long vowel sounds? What are short vowel sounds? Alright. How do we identify a long vowel sound? How do we identify a short vowel sound? And how do we differentiate one from the other? From these sounds, as a Nigerian English speaker, what sound does a Nigerian English speaker has problems with? All right, we're going to look at that area. And we're going to have numerous examples, word examples, all right, that each sound can appear within different kind of context, different spelling. All right, how can we identify this sound when it appears within this spelling and within another spelling, another form of spelling? We'll also look at that in our presentation. So let's move on. So now, a vowel. What is a vowel? A vowel is a speech sound made with the mouth open in this order and the tongue in the middle of the mouth without touching what? The teeth or the lips. Our tongue does not come in contact with the teeth or the lips, mouth open. That's how we produce all the vowel sounds. More so, a vowel sound is a sound produced without any audible friction or obstruction, all right, or blockage of the airstream from the lungs. Now, just like we're going to talk about in consonant sounds, here vowel sounds are produced without such friction, without such obstruction, without such blockage of air, free flow from the lungs. This has been mentioned in my previous video on airstream mechanism. If you haven't watched the video, you can just go back and watch it. All right, I've described how sounds are being produced from the lungs all the way to the mouth, through the mouth. Okay, so if you haven't watched the video, it's available. You can go and watch it. Also, all vowel sounds are what? Voiced. This has also been mentioned in my previous video on the introductory aspect of spoken English, which is the phonology. All right, it's been mentioned there. How do we identify a voice sound and how do we identify a voiceless sound? What are the criteria of identifying such sound, being it a voice or voiceless? So, a monophthong. What are monophthongs? Monophthongs are referred to as simple or pure vowels. All right, they consist of long and short vowels. Why do we call them simple and pure? All right, they are called simple or pure because they are single. All right, the sounds are single. We'll come to talk about diphthongs and triphthongs. All right, monophthong sounds are single sounds. All right, each sound is what? Mono, a single sound without being attached with another sound. All right, just like when you say to someone, are you single or married? When he says he's single, that means he's alone. When he's married, all right, or in a relationship, that means two. All right, so here something applies with the sounds. Monophthongs refer to as a single sound, all right, or single sounds. Mono means one. So each of the long vowel sounds has two dots like this, like a colon sign after it, an indicator that their pronunciation must be prolonged. When you produce a long vowel sound, you must prolong its pronunciation. You must just it needs to be prolonged. Let's move on. Now, the diagram here. This diagram here represents the mouth. All right, and these sounds here They are what? The sounds produced with the frontage of the mouth. Front. This sounds central. Alright? Central. Alright? And these sounds at the back of the mouth. Alright? At the back of the mouth. Here. Let's have a demonstration. Try saying E, 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 E. You will notice that what? The sounds are being produced here and the tongue is moved back. E, E, E. The tongue will be back and the sound will be produced in the middle. Alright? When you say oo, 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 this sound, oo, oo, the tongue will be in the middle so that the sound will be able to be from the back. And when you say this, the what? The tongue will remain neutral within the mouth so that this sound and this sound and this one can be produced. Right? We'll talk about it more. So this is what? The presentation of how the sounds are being produced with the mouth. This sound, like an I, alright, letter I, is called E sound. These two dot colon signs are what I have just mentioned in the previous slide, that is a signia of that sound being a long sound and it needs to be prolonged in the utterance. So now let's have the general sample of how the sounds are being produced. Then we move on to how they appear in the what? Words. All right, how we produce them in different contexts of the words. So this is E, 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 close. All right, so which means what? Close. You have to close your mouth a bit. E, 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 like this. And E sound. E, 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 E. All right, close mid. All right, this is what? Open medium. All right, you see, closed, sound, and then we have what? The sound, sound. We have to open the mouth while producing this sound. Sound. When we come to talk about the examples of this sound, we will try to also give an instance how we produce the sound. What are the stages we need to follow to make accurate production of the sound? Now we are through with the what? Frontage. All right, the front sounds. Then we come to what? The central. Now the central, we have the nas sound. This is called the nas sound. All right, sound, and then this is what? The caret. This is the caret sound. Sound, as in cut. All right, this is called nas sound because it represents the sound how we say it in what? The same word, nurse. This is sure sound. It is considered to be what? The weakest sound in English language. The weakest sound. It's produced as though you are not producing the sound at all. About, around. All right, that's how we produce this sound. And then we come to the back sounds. These sounds are produced what? Back. Long sound, and then we have the word short O sound. O. You notice the tongue coming front, and then the sound will be at the back. Long O sound. O. This is the short O, and this is the long O sound. This is the short U, and the long U sound. All right. So this is how we produce these sounds, and this is the presentation. All right, how these sounds can also appear and how we utter them. This is the what? Shape of the mouth. All right, of how we produce this sound. So let's move on. Now, examples of vowel number 1, which is the long E sound. Remember, in producing this sound, the utterance must be prolonged. As in what? Colleague. You see, the presentation can be thus: EA letters. Colleague. 3, double letters E. All right, EE, double letter E. All right, 3, league, league, EA, believe, believe, IE, machine, 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 machine. All right, marine, marine. See, same orthographic representation, II. Protein, protein, EI, protein. Elite, elite. All right, see, elite. Decoy, decoy. Referee, referee, referee. Now, vowel number 2, E sound, the short E sound. Women, women, women. All right, this sound can come like this and like this. It can be represented with O, letter O, and letter E. Women, women. This is the example. Women, not women. Women. Passage, 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 not passage. Passage. All right, this is the sound. E, passage. Favorite, favorite, favorite. Happy, happy. All right, this is it. The sound is being presented with a red ink. Script, no problem here. Script. Crisp, crisp. Fill, no problem. Spinach, spinach, not spinach. Spinach, spinach. Right? Brick, brick. And what? Squid, squid, squid. That's it for vowel number 2, short E sound. These are the examples, or some of the examples rather. Vowel number 3, E sound, E sound. As in red. We don't have much problem with this vowel sound because we have it in most of our native languages. Red. Sled, pen, set, many, many, net, jet, pet, web, and bell. No problem here. All right, now this is where I promise that we'll come to discuss how we're going to produce this sound. First of all, we need to start producing this sound as though we are saying cat. Cat. Say cat. Ki yet. Ki yet. Ki yet. Cat. 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 In that order. All right. It needs to start with a bit of y sound, a sound, y sound in it. Cat. 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 So that's how we produce this sound in that order. With proper practice, you come to produce this sound without any issues. All right, cat, bat, bat, hat, rat, mat, mat, sat, sat, fat, fat, chat, chat, chat. All right, it's chatting. Right, spat, spat, not spat, spat. Flat. All right, flat. Then we have the what? Vowel number 5, sound, long sound. This sound, we don't have much problems with it because we have something similar in our native languages. All right, we have it. Father. All right, father. Card, card. Remember, since it's being represented by a double dot, a colon sign, it needs to be prolonged in its pronunciation. Card, not card. Card. Bark, bark, bark. Pass, pass, pass. Jar, jar, jar. Spar, spar, spar. Sharp, sharp, sharp. staff, 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 not staff, staff, it needs to be prolonged, staff. Charm, charm, like Prince Charming, Prince Charming, charm. And then palm, palm, like palm, palm. All right, these are the examples, or some of the examples of vowel number 5, the long R sound. Then vowel number 6, O sound, the short O sound, as in what? Got, wonder, wonder, wonder. This is wonder, not wonder, it's wonder. As in what, not what. What do you want? All right, what do you want? All right, I've got this, I've got this. All right, he's wandering around, he's wandering around. Not, not. Want, I want this, I want that. Want, not want, want. Rot, trot, clot. Because, not because, because. Snot, snot. See some of the examples of vowel number 6, the short O sound. Now, examples of vowel number 7, the long O sound. O sound, as in what? Law, law. We don't have much problem with this sound. Law. Awful, awful, awful. Jaw, jaw, jaw. All right, jaw. Almost, 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 almost. All right. Floor, floor. Ball, ball, ball. Straw, 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 straw. Claw, 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 claw. No, no, the G is silent. No, no. Sword, sword, sword. The W is silent. Sword, not sword. Sword, sword, sword. Now look at this. Notice this. Wherever you find W, letter W, at the end of a word in English language, it does not get pronounced. All right, wherever it appears in English language at the end of a word, all right, it's turned into what? A vowel sound. Law, all right, jaw, floor, straw, claw, no. See, in that order. Now vowel number 8, U, short U sound, as in put, book. We don't have much problems with the sound. Look, hook, shook, butcher, butcher. Cook, could, took, foot, and overlook, overlook, overlook. Right? Now, examples of vowel number 9, the long oo sound, as in blue, blue. Pursue, pursue, pursue. All right, pursue, not pursue, pursue. Venue, venue, venue. Value, 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 value. Cool, the P is silent. Cool, cool, cool. Shoe, shoe. Crew, crew, crew. Flu, flu, not flew. Flu, flu, flu. Dew, dew, dew. Q, Q, Q. huge, huge, huge. Now, the caret sound, vowel number 10. We have a problem here, all right? The Nigerian English speakers, as in cup, not cop, cup, 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 cup. Come, not come, come, come. Enough, enough, not enough, 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 enough. Money, 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 not money, 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 money. Sun, not son, sun, sun, sun. Same pronunciation here. Sun, not son, sun, sun, sun. Done, I'm done, not done, 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 done. Run, not run, 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 run. Fun, not fun, fun. Let's have some fun, fun, fun. And blood, not blood, 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 blood. That's what caret sound. Now, the nurse sound, vowel number 11. Nurse sound, sound. Work, work, not walk. Work, work, work. Her, her, her. Sir, sir, sir. Girl, not girl or girl. Girl, girl, girl. Nurse, nurse, nurse. Burn, burn, burn. Turn, turn, turn around, turn around. Earn, I want to earn some money. Earn, earn. Learn, we're learning, learn. Purse, purse, she lost her purse, purse, purse. World, 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 world. And then finally, the vowel number 12, schwa sound, schwa sound. About, about, about. Sofa, 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 sofa. Banana, 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 banana. Comma, 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 comma. Umbrella, 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 umbrella. Extra, 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 not extra. Camera, 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 camera. Aroma, 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 aroma. All right. Police, 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 police. Famous, 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 famous. And what? Doctor, 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 not doctor, 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 doctor. So these are some of the examples of the vowel number 12, schwa sound. You notice in all the pronunciations of these words, all right, the sound is very, very weak. It's pronounced as though it's never been mentioned. It's never there. That's how it's being pronounced. Very, very weak. Gently, deep down there. About, sofa, banana, comma, umbrella, extra, camera, aroma, police, famous, doctor, in that order. So this is all. This is it for the presentation of monophthongs vowel sounds. If you have any questions, comments, or contributions, do write them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. Goodbye.